Hello student, welcome to SST class. Today we'll discuss the question answer of your 4 number chapter, class 4, chapter number 4, and the topic name is an ideal home. Okay, an ideal home. We have already explained the text of an ideal home, and today we'll discuss the question answer, something to know. This thing we'll do, so you carefully listen and write the answer in your fair copy. It will helpful to you in your examination, because nowadays are going on the lockdown and it is very difficult to you. So for you, basically I am making this video. You carefully listen it, then share it, subscribe it, like, and also you can comment here. So in something to know section 8, take the correct option. Question number 1, the dustbin must be cleaned. Options are here: every day, every week, every month. The right answer is here: every day. Then come to the second question. It is the job of dogs to keep the surroundings clean. The options are here: animals, mothers, citizens. The answer is here: citizen. It is the job of citizens to keep the surrounding clean. Mothers are cleaning our home, but the citizens have the responsibilities to clean the surrounding and make the clean, green, safe environment where we can live happily. Question number 3. Our homes needed sunlight to deck them. Option are brighten, refresh, both. So we need both, brighten and refresh. Answer is C, both. 4 number question. Kitchens and the bathrooms must have a proper system of decks, workers, drainage, none, decks. So right answer is here: drainage system is most necessary in our bathroom. Okay, properly that to be. Then question number 5, that can be caused by open garbage bin in the streets. Options are fresh air, perfume, foul smell. The question what the question saying, what can be caused by open garbage bins in the street. Options are fresh air, perfume, foul smell. The foul smell is the correct answer of this question. So student, come to the next section, that is your B section, fill in the blanks, and the words are given in the box. See the question here. First question: sunlight keeps the decks away. Answer is germs. Okay, germs. Word is in box. Just put the word from the box in the decks of the question. Then second question: a house can be converted into an dex home. Definitely a house can be converted into an ideal home. Okay. Then in question number 3, every desk should have a lid. Question number 3, every desk should have a lid. The answer is here: dustbin. Every dustbin should have a lid. Question number 4, the doors should have decks and locks. Doors should have bolts and locks. This is the right answer. Then fifth number question. We are all responsible for participating the DEX environment, natural environment. This is the right answer, natural environment. So now come to this was your section A, section B. Then we'll move to section C. Section C. This is section C. Match the following. Windows give us fresh air. Right answer is C. For one number the match is C, fresh air. Then fly mesh. This is doors. For 2, answer is A. Garbage. Diseases. For third number match, answer is E. Then plant. Right answer is here B. Trees. Plants mean trees. Neighbors. That is your harmony. The neighbors harmony. So it was the section A, B, C. You just look and write this question answer in your fair copy. Okay. I come to the D section. This is the D section. You have to do the D section. Answer the following question. If you are unable to write this answer of this question, then you have to comment me, okay, in the comment box. Then I will write the answer by writing, make you video for this answer, okay, or for this question. Question number 1, which 2 important lessons can you learn from Nirad and Aisha's neighborhood? We have explained in your text. You just extract the answers from that text and write the answer for this question. List 3 dangers that are posed by open garbage heaps. This also you have to write. How do you ensure that your home is neat and clean at all time? You have to write. Question number 4. Which 2 responsibilities are necessary for children to maintain hygiene in the house? This is also you have to write. All the answer of the question you have to write of the D section. You try, otherwise you will, for them saying you comment in the comment box. I will make you a video with the right answer for right question. Okay. Question number 5. Mention 3 important features of an ideal home. 6. How can you help in reducing the amount of waste thrown from your home each day? 7. Are clean surrounding as important as clean house? Give 3 arguments in favor of your answer. These also okay necessary. These are value based question. Each resident has to follow certain rules to maintain a clean neighborhood. What step can be taken by the children of your age to make sure that your surroundings do not have a foul smell, garbage heaps, germs and mosquitoes? So you have to write here the answer. Okay, if the neighborhood will responsible and they will help you, you will help them, aware them, and by unity you can clean or keep neat and clean your environment surrounding and protect by foul smell of the area. You can make garbage heaps, germs and mosquitoes will not be there. You have to write here. Okay, then move to the next part. This is next part. Move to the next part. Map skill. On a political map of India, look at color and mark. on a political map of India, locate, color and mark first state where Taj Mahal is located. Uttar Pradesh. You take a map and color or mark in Uttar Pradesh because Taj Mahal located in Uttar Pradesh. Then state which celebrated Baisakhi. This is celebrated in the state of Punjab. You have to write Punjab or mark in the map Punjab. Then state that receive snowfall. This is Lepcha Jagat. Name one of the village named Lepcha Jagat and lava located in West Bengal. You color or mark in the political map of India in West Bengal where a state that receives snowfall. One of the village name that is Lepcha Jagat or lava. Then next, a state close to the sea. Many states we have in our India close to sea, but basically we will say the answer is here. Right answer is Gujarat. Gujarat also close to sea. Odisha, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. These are the states close to sea. But you have to mark and color in Gujarat in this question because Gujarat is the highest number of coastline or length of coastline. Then last question is a state in the desert. The Great India Desert, third desert located in Rajasthan. You have to color and mark the desert in the state of Rajasthan. Then student, we have finished these things. You have to carefully do. And those who will not understand, you just pause the videos and 2-3 times listen this video, look this. Okay, something to do. What precautions can your family take while hoping to reduce the amount of garbage? These are the things you have to write. Are the rag pickers performing a socially useful task? How? Give 2 reasons. The rag pickers face some health hazard. List any 2 hazards. If you close your windows before sunset, you can automatically protect your home from mosquitoes. How do you make your home mosquito free? By spreading mosquito free powders like this, and you can use also mosquito net during sleeping. A beautiful and strong house also requires constant maintenance. What steps are taken to keep your house neat and clean? So home maintenance, all these things you have to put the answer daily basis, monthly basis, yearly basis. You write in your book, not in copy. Write in this book. Okay. So it was the answer of the 4 number chapter, An Ideal Home. We have finished. You just carefully look it, watch the video. Who are unable to understand, you can pause the video and watch again and again. So for today, this is Thomas. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye to all of you.